Let's go to, I think there's a couple on here, but let's do 13 together. Let's do 13. Here's what I mean by a complex fraction. Multiple fractions on top or multiple fractions on the bottom or both. You can't skip and flip until you have 1 and 1. How many fractions do I have on top? 1. Don't touch it. You're good to go. But how many on the bottom? Okay, you need to make that into 1 before I keep, change, flip. All right, so let's talk about the bottom. The bottom has different denominators. So let's find a common one. One denominator is A, one denominator is B. What do you got for me? AB. Yep. So I got AB as my common denominator there. All right, now it's the, what do I multiply by? So let's go over to 1 over A. 1 over A. What do I need to multiply to get to AB? 1 over A to AB. What's it missing? A B. Everyone, yes, a B? Yeah. So I'm going to multiply the 1 by B. What's this 1 over B? What's it missing that I need to multiply by? An A. So I need to make it into one fraction. Everyone's good? Now we can keep, change, flip. But not until you have 1 on 1. 1 over 1. All right, so keep the top. What do I mean by change? Division changes to multiplication. Flip the bottom. So AB goes on top. B minus A goes on the bottom. And now we look to factor and cross out. Factoring is not going to happen. There's nothing to factor, but we can cross something out here, huh? What do you want to cross out? B and B. Yep. Specifically this one with that one. And I think that's it. Don't touch those A's because they're both on top, and you can't cross out that A because they're connected. We're multiplying. We're multiplying what's left on top. We're multiplying. A squared, B minus A. So that's what I mean by a complex fraction. And I believe, I'm just looking at this here, there's number 18, which is a complex fraction. Any others? And number 22 is a complex fraction. So a lot of opportunity to work with complex fractions here. Good, Jivan? We good over there? That's what I meant. Great. I was hoping somebody asked that because I haven't really referred to it as a complex fraction, but that's what it is. Other topics here. We got time still before I let you work. What's up, Henry?
Undefined.
Undefined, you got it. Yep, number 12. Number 12. Okay, undefined. Anybody want to throw anything at me? Undefined? What you're thinking? Tyler?
You have to get the denominator equal 0.
Well, what do you have to get equal to 0?
The denominator.
Don't look at the numerator. I know it's like, factor me. I don't care. We don't care about the denominator here, or the numerator. We don't care. As factorable as it might be, yes. Take the denominator for undefined fractions. Take the denominator and set it equal to 0 and figure out what x is. Numbers that multiply to 12, 4 apart. 12 and 1 won't work. 3 and 4 won't work, but 6 and 4, or yes, 6 and 2 will. What are my signs here? -6, +2. And now set them equal to 0. And tell me what values make it undefined now. We got +6 and -2. Make them undefined. Undefined, denominator only. As cute as that numerator may look, don't touch it. Cross it out if you have to. Other topics. We still got about 8-9 minutes here. What's up, Jesse?
Adding with unlike denominators.
Yep. Adding with unlike denominators. Oh boy, let's see. I don't have a great one. Can I subtract with unlike denominators?
Yes.
Is that all right? Same thing, right? All right, so let's go. Can we go to number, have we done 15 yet? We haven't done 15 yet as a class? Some of you may have done it on your own, but I don't think we've done it as a class. All right, this could be addition 2 tomorrow. All right, it works the same way. Unlike denominators. So you got to find me a common denominator. Okay, you got to find me a common denominator. I'm making this into one fraction. Find me a common one. Anything common in the denominators? You're killing me. It's attached, right? It's attached. You and Chris should get together. All right, so nothing is in common, but we put everything, the leftovers in, right? You're never going to live that down, by the way. You could get everything right for the remainder of the year. I'm going to still remind you of that because you were just so confident about it. Put all your denominators in now. X and x minus 1. And now tell me what I have to multiply each of the originals by. What's the first fraction have to get multiplied by?
X.
X. There you go, Henry. Boss move right there. Yep. 3x. What's the next one have to get multiplied by?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. I got x. I got x. I'm missing an x minus 1. You going to be a dog or are you going to be a puppy tomorrow? What am I talking about here?
So you're multiplying by -2.
Darn right you are. All right, darn right. We got a hungry dog already right there. Multiply by -2. So minus 2x plus 2, not minus 2, plus 2. And then finish it. Combine your like terms on top. You get what? X plus 2. X and x minus 1. And again, that could be addition tomorrow, and you don't have to worry about distributing a negative. Questions on this one? Anything else here in the last 5 minutes we have before I let you go? Any other topic you want to throw out? Don't be ashamed or afraid. I'm sure somebody else is thinking about it. Nothing else going? Okay, if you have individual questions, you call me over. You guys can work with other people. Little too much talk about drama happening outside of class. Let's cut that down a little bit if you're working with other people. All right, because some of you guys need this test tomorrow, big time. All right, you need it. So